Hello everyone and welcome to my channel Options Trader Today. So today in this video I'll explain you how the price of gold has moved in the last 2 days and how the price of gold can move in the next 2 days. See, if you look at the chart of gold, what we have seen $3327.90. Okay, this is a 15 minutes chart. You will see clearly that how the price is moving for so long. See, there is a continuous upside we have seen in the price of gold, this particular trend, and there is a zone breakout. See, if there is a zone breakout, we have seen there is an upside. Okay, because if you look at this trend, see, if this move out, we can see there will be a further rise. So if the price started sustaining this level, it can move towards $30, $30, and from there a probability that it will cross above a level of $32. Okay, and if the price moving off that particular level, chances are high that it will cross this particular level and it can make a new high above this particular level. So best what you can do is you can trail your SL by $5, because we have seen the volatility has reduced. So if the price keeps going up this all-time high, you can keep trailing your SL by $5, so you can capture big movement towards an upside towards 3350 or towards a level of 3370 and then to a level of 3400, and probability can be high and further upside can be seen. This is a 15 minutes chart. You will see clearly that if the price move below this particular level, that means started going below a level of $33.23, it can touch a level of $33.18, and from there a bounce back can come. But if that didn't bounce back, we can see a level of $33.13, and then it can move towards 3300, and once the price fall below this level, a further fall we can see. Okay, looking at this particular chart, there is, see, now if I go on a day-wise chart, you will see clearly that the price was continuously moving upside. Okay, this is the price. Okay, if you look at this particular trend, see, there is a pattern is forming. Okay, and chances was very high a swing has formed at this level. From we have seen total 4 green candles are forming. Okay, and trend says that when there is a 3 green candles forms, there is a probability of our upside. Okay, now after that what we have seen, a narrow pattern was formed, and that is where we have seen there is a rise today. Okay, so probability can be high. Suppose if the price didn't sustain, the next support on the day wise chart coming at a close level, that is around $32.47. This is the next support on a day wise chart. Okay, so you have to understand that if the price move above this level, trail your SL by $5. If the price started falling below this level, so you can trail your SL downside by $5, and then there is a chances that we can see a downfall also, so you can capture a big movement towards downside. Okay, so before I move ahead and explain you, if you have any doubts, you can mail me at stockmarkettradinglab@gmail.com, and one more mail ID in the description. And please watch the full video so you understand how this technical work, and a Telegram link also given in the description. You can join that too. Okay, now if you look at the dollar index, see, dollar index plays an important role. Okay, it is continuously trying to go down. Okay, as of now what we can see, there is a high chances that again we can see there is a probability that a further fall can be there. Okay, because it is forming this particular trend. So if the price fall below this level, we can see a level of 99.149, and once started falling below this level, probability of going towards $98.9 is there. Then there will be a zone breakout, so for the fall we can see, and then chances are high it can go towards a level of $96.9, and if the price falling below that particular level, chance of touching 94.5 will be there. Okay, and if the price fall below that particular level, chances are high it will touch a level of 93.3. but if the price sustain above this level, a further upside we can see. But suppose if the price sustain, it can move towards an upside of $100.1, because that is already weak. So after that the price can move towards 100 side, we can see towards 102.9 to a level of 103.5, and if that sustain, a further upside we can see towards 104.7, and once the price moving over this level, a further upside we can see towards 105 and then further high. Okay, so you have to keep that in mind. So when the dollar index start going upside, we see the price of gold comes down, when the dollar index started going down, we see the price of gold goes up. Okay, now sustain this level, we can see the price can move other upside towards this level, and we can see it can touch a level of $33, and if the price sustain above level, it can touch a level of 33.34. once the price moving over this level, it can touch a level of 33.36, and from there a level of $38. if the price goes above this level, chance of touching 33.50 we can see, and from there a 33.70, and if then we can see a level of 3400 also. Keep trailing your SL, that is very important, by $5 or $7, so when it turn around you can at least capture big movement. Okay, but if the price didn't sustain or if it swings, then we can see on the day wise chart the support coming at a level of 32.43, but on the 15 minutes chart we can see there will be a volatility. Best you can do, you can trail your SL downside also by $5 or $7. so if the price comes downside, you can capture a downfall. Okay, so if the price started falling below this level, and the next support coming at a level of 32.46, and from there a further fall we can see toward 32.23, and if the price started going below this level, chance of touching 32.14, and then it can move towards 3196, and then a further low we can see. Okay, any doubt regarding this, you can mail me. Again, the mail ID is also in the description. So hope you like the video, and if you like the video, please give a thumbs up.